I stopped the bot there. As you can see, we run 5 contracts. We are at $4,915. The bot was untouched, and it did very well. I think that as far as the way the bot works, it works very well. We actually run our own SPY money bars, and by using the SPY money bars, it actually makes the trend and everything a lot better. It is not anything like on the market. It is 100% SPY money technology, and it works very well. What we end up doing is we usually wait and turn the bot on a little bit after the open, and it usually does really well. Right now we're sitting at 100%, and how much more would you want? You 100%, you put $5,000 on the trade, you're making $4,915, and I'm done. So I did 100% return on investment, and if you're into real estate and stuff, you just don't make that kind of money. So that's how the bot works. You can see the trades here that it's entered and exited. You watched it 100% live. And if you'd like to get started with SPY money, then go to our website and you'll see a little video here how to go about doing it and get started. The bot is fully functional, works very well. We have all the filters that we need on there, and it actually runs virtual. You don't even run it on a chart, you run it virtual, and then you can turn the chart on so you can watch it. That's what we just did. So that bot is not even on this chart. It's running virtual, and you can start and stop it as you want. That's the only function you can do. You got run and stop, which is right here, and you can run that, and once you get your target, you just turn it off. But now during that time that it's running, you can move your stops and take profits. You can put your other levels and so forth on there and get that going. So get started today. We are fully functional, running the SPY money platform. There are no other hidden fees. You pay the monthly lease, and that's all. The platform's included. The only thing you have to do is get a ampfutures.com account, or run it on any prop firm that has Rhythmic connection. It will not work on Tradeify. It only works on the Rhythmic. So get started today. And one question that I had come up over the weekend was they wanted to know if I had access to their account since this is my platform. No, I do not. The only money that I make is your monthly lease. I have no access to your brokerage account or your Rhythmic accounts or anything. I can't even see what you're doing. The only thing I do is allow you to use my platform. Use my platform, and all the money and so forth is all yours. It has nothing to do with me. So if you have any questions, let me know. Love to get you started. We have several people signing up, getting started, making money immediately. We did live training Friday. I did live training Sunday, yesterday. And I'm doing another one today at 10:30. That's in 35 minutes that I'll be doing, well, from the recording this. I'll be doing live training at 10:30 to explain how to use things real good. And the more live training we do, the easier it is on everyone to be able to make a decision on if they should do this or not. And as far as how to enter the trade, how to exit the trade, what is the best scenarios and so forth. And I go over all that. I train you. You can run the bot, or you can do it manual. Now, there are indicators that we run. I don't show it on the public for running the bot, but there are indicators and stuff that I have made that we use, and it gives you the signals of when to enter and when to exit. But running the bot, the only thing I wanted to do was just show you how it's working. And we've actually had, since I shut this off, let's see, the last trade was, the exit was at 9:49. So since then, there has been 1, 2, 3 more winners since then. And but again, hit your goals and quit. 2,500 is actually the goal that I had set, but I wasn't watching, and I ended up making 49.15. So watch this little video, get started, and we would love to have you in the group. You can get started today. It's not hard. The platforms are very easy. All kinds of videos and such to get it downloaded, and your indicators and everything that we use are actually in the settings already. So as soon as it starts up, it's already on your chart. There's not really a lot to learn to it. It does very well. If you have any questions, let me know.